Hello, our kitty can draw friends. Today we're drawing a mushroom, the kind you find in fairy tales, not in your backyard. So let's start. First, draw a horizontal line at the bottom. Then draw a curved line going up from each side, and make each one of them slightly tilted inwards. Draw half an oval shape on top. Then draw a half circle for the top of the mushroom. We're going to make the eyes and the mouth and the stalk. Draw 2 oval shapes for the eyes. And the curve in the middle for the smiley mouth. Decorate the top part of the mushroom with some circles. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Decorate the part underneath with some stripes. Wasn't this fun, guy? Now you can draw a cute mushroom. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.